The next slide shows multiple Y plotting. Multiple Y plots, as the name suggests, have more than one Y-axis. In order to specify that we want a new Y-axis, we put an underscore Y at the end of the Y parameter. For example, the plot command shown here plots the first series and the second series on the first Y-axis. The next series gets plotted on a new Y-axis because it has an underscore Y after the Y parameter. The following series is plotted on another Y-axis because it also has an underscore Y after the Y parameter. When you are on the EZPlot sheet and you right-click and select Data Parameters Y and X, there is a multi-Y button that will put an underscore Y after the Y parameter. Note that Excel cannot create multiple Y-axis plots. You must use EZPlot. Now let's open up the multi-Y example file. If we click on the plot, a form shows up. This form indicates that the Y-axis number 1 goes from 1200 to 3000, 1200 to 3000. If we scroll to the right, we see that the second axis goes from 0 to 450, 0 to 450. And the third Y-axis goes from 0 to 4500, 0 to 4500. Let's change the Y-min here to 500 and the Y-max to 5000. When we click OK, the plot will be regenerated. Now we see that the third Y-axis goes from 500 to 5000. Now we can close this file.